Alright, in this video we're going to be installing these right here. Let's go ahead and find out what's in this little box. They're turn signal lights for our side mirrors for the Town and Country. The ones we have now pop in and out whether we like it or not, so we're going to go ahead and try to install these new ones, and hopefully that gets rid of that problem. Maybe the tabs are worn out, but it does come with a driver and a passenger side, and the price was very reasonable on these, and they do have a pattern. I'll show you how the pattern goes before and after, and then you can make your decision up whether you want to go this route or not. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful smoked black finish with LEDs, so hopefully they'll last a lot longer. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and find out how hard or how easy it is to install these on our side mirrors. Hopefully it'll help you guys out. Leave a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos like this. And it will also work with the Town and Country if they have the turn signals on the mirrors as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and go out there. Show you guys how to take it off. It's gonna sound brutal, but what you want to do, just pop this lens out. You'll hear it. Hopefully I can do it with one finger. There it goes. Be careful with it, as it does have all your wiring on there. All you want to do is, there's a clip. Hopefully you guys can see it. There's a clip right back there. There's a clip right back there that you want to push down. I'll show it to you. That clip right there, you want to push that down and it pops it right out. But this is sitting on there like that. You want to pop that right out and slowly get the wire. There's the wire. And for a wire, all you want to do is unplug it. Once again, hopefully I can do it with just one hand, but I doubt it. Let me go ahead and alright, so there you unplug it and you just want to pull it out. Just plug those in. I have the specific way it goes in. Once you have it plugged in, that's how the light looks like. And you want to just put this side in first. It goes in this groove. I'll show you guys the groove real quick. And that channel right there. And then put that clip in next. Alright. Let me go ahead and do that. And then I'll show you guys the final thing. Alright, so there it is. Peel that off. Just tuck this side in first, behind his lip, and then just clip that in. And it's in there, won't move. Last but not least, this ring holds the mirror on there. So all you gotta do is put it back in there. And then push it in. There you go. Once it clicks like that, you know it is in there. Let me know what you think. Do you like this pattern or not? Like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully you guys enjoy this little video. Let me know what your thoughts on this. Would you guys do this to your town and country? Let me know in the comments below. See you guys. I will also put the link down in the description. Helps out the channel in the long run. Later, you guys.